Simha Mudra, or the lion's breath, is a great breath practice to help relieve stress, frustration, anger, or any tension that's built up in your body, either physically or emotionally. If you like, you can even envision yourself as a lion or lioness with this roar, this sigh roar as you exhale. Begin by sitting comfortably in a chair or on the ground with some props, and take a big breath, puffing out. When you exhale, stick out your tongue, let your eyes roll back, and make your hands into a claw. Take an easy breath in between. And then to prepare again, that big breath in, exhale, a sigh roar, kind of emptying out from your guts. Easy breath in and out. And then preparing again, last round. And once you have finished a few rounds, allow yourself to sit quietly, noticing the ground or chair underneath you, noticing your body. And do more as needed, or allow yourself to just feel maybe the lightness or any other effects that come to you as you finish these few rounds of lion's breath. And you can do this as often as needed during the day as a way to not allow, or at least slow down, some of the build up and accumulation of stress, anger, frustrations, things you don't get to vocalize and express.